Hey y'all, happy new year. This is my film room that I wanted to show you all and explain where I got everything from, because I know that you may see it in the background and wonder where she get that from. So I wanted to take it around the room and tell you where I got everything from. So let's get started. Over here we'll start with my bookshelf. These two candles came from Walmart and they're just the clean linen candles. This bookshelf came from Home Depot. This first row of shoes came from Dillard's. They're all Gianni Benny. This row of shoes came from these two, and this one are Gianni Benny from Dillard's. These are just Fab. This row of shoes all came from Dillard's. And this bottom row of shoes, these came from Dillard's, and these two came from Charlie Roos. So yeah, and I wear a size 7.5, and this plant came from At Home. The shadow box that is sitting on came from Target. And this mirror came from Kirkland's, and I got a good deal on it. This picture came from Burlington, and we go over here and we'll start here. My nail polish rack, ordered it off Amazon, and all my polishes came from just different stores that I collect polishes from. My Chase Lounge came from Ivan Smith Furniture. My throw blanket came from Home Goods, and that's my Beats headphone, and my laptop came from a gift from my husband from Best Buy. And here my desk came from Walmart, and my makeup box here came from Ulta, and these makeup brush holders came from Target, and all of my different brushes came from just different places. And there's my makeup in there. There's some makeup down there, and over here this mirror came from Ulta, and this makeup stand I ordered it from Amazon. And there's just different liquid lipsticks in there. This chair came from Target. This rug came from Home Goods, and here is my ring light that I ordered from Amazon. And that is my clock that I got from At Home. So I just wanted you all to see my room and to show you where I got everything from. And so if you have any video requests or any videos that you want to see from me, let me know down below and I will get to work in here filming whatever you guys want to see. So thank you so much, and I look forward to making more videos for you all this year. Thank you, and I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.